With so many private jet options on the market, it can be difficult to find one that perfectly matches your needs and budget. It's important to know which kind of business aircraft would best meet your needs and interests for your comfortable and enjoyable trips. Whether you want to buy your own or only wish to rent one, in today's video, we are going to explore the top 10 most amazing private jets in the world. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to Luxury Richer. Let's get started. Number 10. Air Force One. $660 million for the Air Force One, the presidential Boeing 747-200B, is equipped with mid-air refueling capabilities, a hospital and operating theater, and can endure earthquakes, meteor impacts, and nuclear war. But that's not all of its outstanding technical capabilities. It can also reach speeds of 650 miles per hour, has the most up-to-date airstrike avoidance equipment on board, and of course, has complete priority over all other air traffic. Let's take a look at the luxury. It's worth noting that this isn't Donald Trump's first custom Boeing. Prior to becoming president, he flew around on a Boeing 757 with bedrooms filled with family-crested linens, a luxury dining room, marble bathrooms, and a home-style theater with gold Trump-branded details on everything. Nowadays, the level of luxury aboard Air Force One Trump remains sky-high, with 4,000 square feet of interior floor space and 3 floors on the 747-200B. The aircraft can host 100 guests served by 26 staff on board. The 2 kitchens can provide 100 meals to the various conference rooms, dining rooms, and private bedrooms. There are offices for senior staff members and around 20 screens on board to naturally stay up to date with news. It has satellite connectivity, so no one will miss an email while aboard the Oval Office in the sky. Well, the Lexus. Number 9. 747 Refit. When the artist's impressions came out of this customized 747, it upped the game of everything that had come before it. It cost $617 million to refit, yet it remains the single most expensive private airplane ever sold. Each of the 8 completely equipped bedrooms on the top level is as sumptuous as the last, with luxury furnishings and flat screens in each room. For the mystery traveler, there are various lounge rooms and a fully equipped onboard restaurant that can easily host a dinner party of up to 15 people. What we do know about the owner is their favored color pattern of neutrals, since all of the decor adheres to that color scheme. Part of the request is that the Boeing serves as a home away from home, and considering the price tag, we can only imagine that house is also rather luxurious. Number 8. Boeing BBI 787.8. With almost 220 square meters of interior space, the Boeing BBI 787.8 is one of the world's most opulent business jets. It was painstakingly built and configured, utilizing the best of craftsmanship and technology, resulting in an unsurpassed work of art and engineering. The layout of business aircraft has been specifically intended to provide unlimited rooms for seclusion, socializing, meetings, and relaxation, thus transforming it into a true flying mansion. The master bedroom is designed to be a quiet haven with a spacious California king-size bed, a massive master bathroom with marble sinks and heated floors, and a huge dressing room and walk-in closets. The main area of the jet is an open lounge designed to feel as spacious as possible, with a pair of day beds positioned in front of a large 55-inch flat screen at the back of the cabin. There is a VIP lounge and a guest cabin with 18 full-flat first-class sleeper seats and a row of 6 premium economy seats for the crew. The aircraft was built to be extremely fuel efficient, and with a flight length of around 17 hours, it can reach practically any location on the planet. Number 7. Cirrus VisionJet SF-50. The Cirrus VisionJet SF-50 is an extremely light jet powered by just one engine that stands out due to its compact size and for being the first certified single-engine civilian jet. It received a favorable reaction. When it was first unveiled, it received over 600 orders before production began in 2016. Premium leather seats and interior upholstery elements are created to perfection in a wide range of tones to fit any style preference. The interior is built in a modular form, enabling 28 possible seating arrangements with a maximum capacity of 5 adults and 2 children. The seats behind the Pilot provide plenty of room to stretch out and watch the world go by through the large panoramic windows or watch a movie on an impressively large LED monitor that folds down from the ceiling. The SF-50 is an excellent choice of aircraft for flying short distances with a charter cost of around $1,900 per hour. Number 6. Airbus A340. The Airbus A340 costs between $350 and $500 million. The Airbus A340 is another flying hotel owned by Roman Abramovich, but the specific Airbus we're talking about here is owned by Russian billionaire and mining tycoon Alistair Ashman, who also owns stakes in Russian telecommunications and internet companies, as well as the English soccer team Arsenal. He purchased the Airbus A340 in 2012 for $238 million, and the upgrades to his Airbus A340 far exceeded the budget of $100 million. The final figures have been under wraps, but it's estimated he spent around $250 million. Number 5. Gulfstream G650ER. The Gulfstream G650ER, with a host of features and amenities to satisfy even the most demanding passengers, and with its perfect combination of boundary-breaking flying range, exceptional cruise speed, and agility, the G650ER is a stunning masterpiece and one of the most exclusive private jets available on the charter market. The spacious interior is a refined getaway above the clouds, where supreme comfort meets high design and innovation with up to 4 living areas. The cabin is remarkably quiet, allowing passengers to easily concentrate on their work or simply relax in a peaceful environment. The top-of-the-line cabin amenities include a fully equipped forward galley, high-speed Wi-Fi internet, satellite phone, and a 42-inch flat-screen TV video monitor, providing an excellent onboard communication and entertainment experience. Flying up to 7,500 nautical miles at close to the speed of sound, the legendary G650ER set the standard for performance in business aviation. Number 4. Gulfstream 4. Gulfstream is worth $31.25 million. Actors such as Jim Carrey, John Travolta, and Tom Cruise are fans of the Gulfstream private aircraft. Tyler Perry has gone to great lengths to customize his private jet, outfitting it with a working theater and customized lighting that is all controlled electronically, as well as motorized window coverings to establish the mood. It has a formal dining room, kitchen, VIP bedroom, and every form of creature comfort to wow the famous actor-director when he is away from home. These upgrades cost Perry an additional $50 million in customizations, and Perry's Gulfstream earned some extra air miles in 2012 when it transported the late Whitney Houston's body back to New Jersey after she died in California. Number 3. Bombardier Global 7500. The Global 7500 was developed and built with no compromises in mind. The Global 7500 is in a class of its own in terms of performance and comfort, taking the private jet experience to new heights. Designed as a home in the sky, the Global 7500 is the industry's only business jet with 4 unique living rooms, a full-size gourmet kitchen, and a dedicated crew suite with the revolutionary watch seat and extra-large windows. This bright and welcoming living room is ideal for peaceful thought, conversation, and professional productivity. The beautiful conference suite has a distinct design with refined elegance, and guests may enjoy the fine meals made with care in the well-equipped kitchen. The Master Suite has an exceptional choice of optional furniture, including a permanent bed and a stand-up shower in the ensuite. Truly expansive and proportioned generously, the Global 7500 transports passengers up to a range of 7,700 nautical miles and provides all of the business tools a passenger could need to be productive at an altitude of over 51,000 feet. Number 2. Dassault Falcon 7X. The Dassault Falcon 7X has been destined to be a revolutionary aircraft since its inception, introducing the digital flight control system to the business aviation industry. With unrivaled experience, technological strengths, and military knowledge, the 7X is the next-generation business jet, featuring more innovation and benefits to corporate flight than ever before. The aircraft handsomely proportioned executive suite features 3 spacious lounge areas that include a business lounge, and a business lounge. Seats that can be adjusted for comfort at full length, wardrobe, a full-size galley, a stand-up lavatory. The most advanced pressurization system and temperature controls provide the ultimate comfort and relaxation today. Nearly 300 units are in service in 41 countries, with a growing number of operators around the world discovering the benefits and capabilities of it. It costs around $54 million. The Falcon 7X is still considered one of the most important business jets of the 21st century. Number 1. Cessna Citation Longitude. Cessna's latest Jet Citation Longitude has the same fuselage cross-section as the Latitude model, but with a longer cabin and revised wing and tail designs. This medium-sized private jet can fly almost 8-hour segments, putting it up against larger and more expensive planes. Cessna utilized exclusive soundproofing technology for the design of the aircraft. With its ample legroom and large windows, it is the world's quietest super midsize cabin. This airplane will make your journey very peaceful and pleasurable. A walk-in baggage compartment, soft recliners, a shower, and a kitchen with espresso maker are among the facilities in this bright and large cabin with adequate headroom and a modern decor. There are 3 different configurations available, each with side-facing seats and comfortable sofas, as well as a wireless cabin control system and fully integrated auto throttles in the cockpit. The Citation Longitude aircraft offers cutting-edge technology to the super midsize category. Whether you're relaxing or conducting business from the air, the Citation Longitude will provide you with the peace and quiet you need to get the most out of your time in the air. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did like this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Luxury Richard channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next one.